This is our cat, Speedy. The type of breed she is a Norwegian forest cat. And one thing about Norwegian forest cats is that they live in the Norwegian part of Europe where it's really cold, and that's why they have the really long fur. And they're very vocal animals, by the way. She loves to stick her butt in my face. And she's very friendly. And she likes to sleep on top of my dad's car a lot, too. So, yeah. She likes to be petted on the side of her face, on the cheek area. Oh, she got a little bit too close to the camera. She's very friendly, by the way. And yeah, that's our pet, Speedy. So yeah.